आज की इस वीडियो में हम जो है वो ईएफटी टैपिंग करने वाले हैं ताकि मनी से रिलेटेड कोई भी स्ट्रेस या फिर एंग्जाइटी अगर आप एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं तो उसको हम जो है वो रिलीज कर सकें। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम प्रिया सांगवान एंड इन टुडेस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डू ईएफटी टैपिंग ताकि अगर जो किसी भी जो फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन की वजह से अगर आप स्ट्रेस या एंग्जाइटी फील कर रहे हो तो उसको हम रिलीज कर सकें। बिकॉज कई बार उस स्ट्रेस और एंग्जाइटी की वजह से ही हम जो है वो एक्शंस नहीं ले पाते जो कि हमें लेने चाहिए ताकि हम अपनी फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन को इम्प्रूव कर सकें। So let's do the tapping so that we can release that stress and anxiety about money. So first of all, think about your financial situation and see कि आप जो है वो कितना ज़्यादा जो है वो स्ट्रेस या फिर एंग्जाइटी जो है वो फील कर रहे हैं एंड गिव इट अ नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 10। जितना हाइयर नंबर उसका मतलब है उतना ही ज़्यादा आप जो है स्ट्रेस और एंग्जाइटी जो है वो एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं अबाउट मनी। एंड आफ्टर गिविंग इट अ नंबर ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्व इन योर बॉडी कि आपको वो जो है वो जो स्ट्रेस या फिर एंग्जाइटी है वो जो है वो किस पार्ट में जो है सबसे ज्यादा जो है वो फील हो रही है। एंड नाउ लेट्स डू द टैपिंग so that we can release that stress and anxiety. Even though I'm really stressed about my financial situation, I acknowledge how I feel. Even though I'm really worried about my financial situation, I still love, accept, and forgive myself. I am really anxious about my financial situation. I am not able to take any action because of this stress. Still, I choose to love and accept myself. All this stress about money. I can really feel कि मेरे जो है वो बॉडी का हर एक जो सेल है वो जो है वो स्ट्रेस फील कर रहा है because of that money situation. Even I'm not able to think clearly. Even the thoughts that are coming in my mind are creating more and more stress. I'm only seeing the problems that I have to solve so many financial problems. And as I think about those problems, I feel like that I can't take action. I feel so much stuck. I feel like कि जो sources of income हैं that are limited, but the expenditures are unlimited. I feel like no matter how much money I make, it always feel less. And even managing money seems to be a difficult task. There are so many things we need to do. Managing expenses seems a task. Investing is another difficult task. Then growing my income feels more complicated. It feels like no matter how much efforts I put, I'm not able to improve my financial situation. I feel so much stuck. I'm not able to take action. I feel like why I am not able to improve my financial situation. Even if I try to improve my financial situation, something happens and then I'm unable to achieve my financial goals. It feels like managing money or growing money is not my cup of tea. It feels like it is too much difficult task. And I feel like a failure. I feel like the inflow of money is very less. But अगर outflow की बात करें So there are so many sources that I have to pay to. But when it comes to income, it seems there are only 2 or 3 sources. I'm really feeling stuck because of this financial situation. And as I think about all these situations, I feel more and more stress. I'm not even able to take action because managing money, earning money, or making investment seems a very difficult task. And growing money, it seems a bigger task. I need to learn so many new skills. And I'm not even confident whether these skills will really help me to make more money. I also have this doubt whether I have the time required to learn those skills. Sometimes I feel like that I am too much overwhelmed by the financial responsibilities. There are so many things to manage on my own. I feel like if anyone could help me in managing my financials in a better way. This stress, this anxiety, I'm not able to act because of this stress. Because whenever I think about money situation, I only feel stress and anxiety. And as I feel this stress and anxiety, I'm not able to move forward. Today, I acknowledge how I feel. I allow myself to feel and say that yes, I am having difficulties in earning money, growing money, and managing money. It is safe for me to acknowledge how I feel. It is safe for me to acknowledge that it really seems like a difficult task. This is how I feel. And I feel safe in expressing my emotions. It is okay for me to have these thoughts and feelings. As I acknowledge these emotions, I allow them that yes, I understand that I am having difficulty. But now, as I have acknowledged you, I allow you to release now from my thoughts. I allow to release all these thoughts from my subconscious. If I am holding any financial stress from the past, I choose to release that now. I choose to release any negative feelings about money. I choose to release any action which I have taken, which is creating this stress about money. As I release all these negative thoughts, beliefs, and feeling around money, I'm able to think clearly. Now, I'm able to focus on the solution, not only on problem. Because by just repeating the problems, they won't get solved. So today, I decide for myself that I'm going to take action. And I know what are the actions I need to take to improve my financial situation. So I'm ready to take all those actions. I'm ready to learn more. I'm ready to approach the people who I know I should contact to improve my financial situation. I'm ready to release any baggage from the past about my financial situation. I know as I move forward, I will get the right opportunities, right people who are going to help me in improving my financial situation. The only thing I need to do is keep taking action. And as I take more and more action, I will get more clarity. So today, I'm ready to move forward and think clearly and focus on the solution. Because by focusing on the solutions, I can really improve my financial situation. I'm ready to release all this stress and anxiety within me. I'm ready to improve my financial situation. I'm ready to feel more confident about my abilities to make money, to make investment, to grow the sources of income. And I'm also ready to be grateful for the money that I already have. I'm ready to see and focus on the money that I already have. I choose to be grateful for the money that I already have. I choose to be grateful for each and every source of money that I already have. I'm ready to feel grateful for the amount of money that I have received throughout my life. I feel happy around money. I feel grateful about money. And I'm also grateful for the money that is going to come in my life in future as well. I'm grateful for the money that is coming to me by my efforts as well as the efforts of the other people around me. I'm ready to be grateful about my financial situation. Now take a deep breath in and exhale. Now let me know in the comment box how you are feeling about your financial situation. And you can do one more round of this tapping so that you can completely release your stress and anxiety to zero. And those who want to join me for free one-on-one EFT session, then you can join my WhatsApp community. The link is given in the description. And thank you for tapping with me. And please do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.